What if you got sucked into an EF5 tornado? So, you decided to chase an EF5 tornado and got sucked right into the funnel. Bad move. Right away, you are pulled up into a massive vortex spinning at over 300 miles per hour. But the wind isn't what gets you. You are basically trapped inside a giant blender with flying stop signs, tree branches, and random pickup trucks violently smashing into your ribs. Finally, the storm gets bored and aggressively spits your shattered remains out from 10,000 feet in the air. Have a nice flight down. At this point, you need an underground storm bunker exactly as much as I need subscribers. So hit that subscribe button now.